In this video, how to add signature on Docusign. I will show you step by step how to add a signature in Docusign. First, go to the Docusign website in your browser. Log into your account using your email and password. After logging in, open the document that needs to be signed. Usually you will receive an email with the document. Open the email and click the Review Document button. The document will automatically open in your browser. Now click the Continue button to begin the process. Find the signature field indicated in the document. Click the field called Sign. Now choose how you want to create your signature. You can type your name to generate an automatic signature. You can also draw your signature using your mouse or touchscreen. Another option is uploading an image of your signature. After choosing the signature style, click Adopt and Sign. The signature will be added automatically to the document. If there are other fields, fill in the requested information. After reviewing everything, click the Finish button. The document will be saved with your signature. You will also be able to download the signed file. This is how you can easily add a signature in Docusign.